What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? It's Chantedanallie Chronicles and I'm back with a YouTube video.
It's time!
Hang on the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better. This Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, the fireside is burning bright, and we caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me.
And welcome to my Christmas Day vlog.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
Hey y'all, Merry Christmas Eve. And Christmas Eve, we get to open one gift. That's my family tradition. Here's my one gift right here. I feel like I got multiple things in it. I already know what it is, but I don't know what else in here with it. But we're gonna unwrap this together. So I got a special guest,
Kazaya.
and we're going to build a gingerbread house. So we got the gingerbread cookies,
The gumballs.
we have the mini beads, Welcome to the true meaning of Christmas video. If y'all see me look down a lot, it's because I'll be reading out of my notes section out of my brand new iPad. I've been planning this video out for like 2 years on my phone and stuff like that. I've been planning it out for 2 years and I finally got what I want to say. But I can't like remember what's in my notes, so I'll be reading from it just to help me help you. So we're going to start off with the religious meaning. For Christians, Christmas is a celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ, who is believed to be the Son of God and the Savior of humanity. The holiday emphasizes themes of love, goodwill, and redemption. It is a reminder of God's gift to humanity and the hope that Jesus' life and teachings brings to the world. Christians often reflect on the humility and selflessness that Jesus' birth symbolizes. Giving and compassion. Christmas has become a time of generosity and kindness. It's a season where people often focus on giving, whether it's through gifts, charitable acts, or spending quality time with loved ones. The spirit of giving is seen as a reflection of the love and compassion that Jesus showed, or that Jesus embodied. Family and togetherness. Christmas is a time to connect with family and friends. It fosters a sense of togetherness and community. People gather to celebrate, share meals, and create memories. Christmas is about the importance of a relationship and joy of being with your loved ones. Reflection and renewal. Christmas occurs at the end of the year, which makes it a time of reflection on the past and a moment to look forward to the future. It's time to reflect on gratitude, personal growth, and aspirations. It's an opportunity to renew your faith, values, and communities. Joy and celebration. At its heart, Christmas is a time of celebrating the birth of Christ, the blessings of the season, and the hope that the holiday represents, whether it's through music, decorations, festivals. Christmas brings a sense of joy and celebration that transcends culturally religious boundaries. The true meaning of Christmas often comes down to the values it encourages: love, kindness, hope, a sense of shared humanity, whether it's religious reasons or simply as a cultural celebration. The essence of Christmas is about giving, connecting with others, spreading the light in a world that can sometimes feel dark. Christmas is essentially a celebration of love, hope, and renewal, a time of reflection on what is important in life connects with other meaningful ways. While the way it is celebrated can vary greatly depend on cultural, religious, and personal tradition, Christmas is much more than just a holiday with gifts, food, and decorations. So the first one is the celebration of Jesus Christ's birth, a time with family, community, and togetherness, a spirit of generosity and giving, a sense of joy, hope, and renewal, a time to reflect on peace and goodwill, cultural and family traditions, reflection on the importance of hope, a global celebration. All of this up, Christmas is about celebrating love, generosity, and the spirit of giving. It's a time for reflection, connections with others, a reaffirmation of the values of peace and goodwill. Whether seen through religious lens, a cultural one, or a personal perspective, the heart of Christmas is about bringing light and hope into the world. It reminds us of the importance of coming together, being kind, and embracing the good in the world, no matter our differences. Hey y'all, so right now I am currently boiling some eggs on the stove. We're finna make some double eggs, my favorite dish. And let me tell y'all, I can bust down on some double eggs, but the eggs are boiling, so yeah.
Listen as your day unfolds. Challenge what the future holds. Try and keep your head up to the sky. You gotta be
A perfect start and romancing the steel.
you gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. We'll keep on spinning, can't stop it if you try to. Best part is staying still.
Gorgeous, tight rotations. Signature move here, the lingonberry.
Hey,
Hi,
what's your name?
Shoes.
When is your birthday?
December the 5th,
How old are you?
6.
And what does Christmas mean to you?
It means something very nice and very sincere and very kind to do to pass out presents, but it don't just mean to just give presents, so like something like that. But yeah, that's what Christmas means to me.
Good job. What's your name? How old are you?
10,
When is your birthday?
February 13th.
And what does Christmas mean to you?
It means like spending time with your family and stuff like it just don't mean opening presents and stuff.
Hey,
Hey,
what's your name?
Serenity.
How old are you?
How old am I? 11.
When your birthday?
March 12.
And what does Christmas mean to you?
Christmas means about giving and I feel like that Christmas is not just about receiving gifts. I feel like it's about giving and hanging, having fun with your family.